Meaning of depreciation.
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 Depreciation. Depreciation refers to the systematic decrease in the value of an asset due to wear and tear, obsolescence, or other factors that reduce its usefulness or efficiency over time. This reduction in value is recorded as an expense on a company's financial statements each period, reflecting a decline in the asset's overall worth. The result of depreciation is a reduction in the value of the asset on a company's balance sheet, which can impact its net income, taxes owed, and overall financial health.